Good afternoon, my dear students and concerned teachers present in my class. I am Babita Mishra. Again, welcome all of you to today's live virtual class of our Sundargarh district. Okay, dear students, how are you? Are you fine? I hope you must be fine. No? So, today I am going to teach you one interesting poem of your English textbook. Okay? So it is a poem based on two animals which are enemy of each other. One animal plays one tricks for another animal, but at last the tricks is not success, and the small animals must be helpful to use his own knowledge and don't offer the help of another animals. Okay, so let's go to the smart board to start our discussion. Follow-up lesson of your main lesson, that is the cat and the dog. So many follow-up lessons, but the main ideas are same of the main lesson and the follow-up lesson. We discuss this poem step by step. Okay, so in pre-reading part, thus what is the day today, and in while reading, first I recite the poem, then I will give you some one notes, then explain the summary, and at last I will give you some moral values. And in post-reading part, I discuss some comprehension questions and some activities, and at last I will give you some homework. So let's start our pre-reading part. Look at the picture. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is a crab, and this is a fox. Look at the picture. It is a small animal which lives river and also land and also ocean. Means it can live in land and in salty water and also the cold water. Okay, and it has a hard shell and a round shaped body. Okay, and it has 10 legs, 5 pair of 10 legs, and the front paws used as the hand. Okay, so it has 10 legs, and also it has gills and lungs. Means it can live both on water and also land. Okay, it is the only animal which can live both water and land. Thus, it has gills like the fish, and also it has lungs like human body. Okay, and it eats the small insects of the inside the river, and in outside part it also eats so many small vegetables and also the insects of the seashore. Okay, and you look at the picture, it is a small fox. It lives in jungle because it is a wild animal. Okay, so it lives in the jungle and it is a omnivorous animal. Okay, and it sounds 40 different kinds of sounds, just like the hoo. Okay, so similarly it makes 40 different kinds of sounds inside the jungle. No, today we are celebrating World Understanding and Peace Day. Okay, World Understanding means Antarjatiya Bujhabana, and Peace Day means Shantira Divas. Means we can live the world without understanding. We cannot live. Ama paraspara bhitare jodi bujhabana न रहिबो, then we cannot live. Okay, so for this reason, we celebrate World Understanding and Peace Day on February 23rd. Done. Then Now, you listen. I recite the poem. Don't open your book. Okay? I am reciting. You listen carefully. It was a very cool night, and there was no crab in sight. The fox looked for one, but there was none. Where did they go? Not even one in sight. They must be in their holes if I am right. Thinking so, he got ready. The hunger too made him ready to go in search of a crab hole, and he straightened his tail like a pole. Inside the hole, his bushy tail he pushed. The crab, he thought, it slightly missed. He waited long for a sweet pool, but for a long there was none at all. Finally he pulled out his tail, but the crab was inside, he could smell. So he changed his plan and called Brother Crab. Let some song and dance have. The weather calls for such merrymaking. What is life without dancing and singing? The crab will understand the fox's real mood. Thought he to himself, am I a fool? And answered from his hole, who is going to sing and dance in such a weather cool? I will rather eat and sleep well in my cozy little hole. Now you open your book and listen carefully. Okay? It was a very cool night. Look at the picture of cool night. Okay? It was a very cool night. Not the cold drinks. Okay? Means the weather is cool. Just like the winter season. It was a very cool night. And there was no crab inside. There was no crab. Look at the picture of crab. There was no crab inside. Means near the seashore or near the river or on the land, there was no crab inside. The fox looked for one, but there was none. Means the fox wanted to eat a crab, but there was none. There was none. Then the fox asked a question to himself. Where did they go? Where did they go? Not even one inside. They must be in their hole, if I am right. The fox thought that if they are not moving on the seashore, on the river side, okay, so they must be in their hole. They are sleeping in their hole, if I am right. So he make a plan. Who make a plan? The fox made a plan. How to catch, how to eat a crab. Okay. Thinking so, he got ready. Thinking so, thinking means he thought that the crab must be in their hole. Look at the picture of crab hole. Means they are living in the crab hole. Okay, the crabs are living in the crab hole. The hunger too made him greedy. Means the fox was very hungry. Okay, so for this reason he wanted to eat one crab or any other animal in the seaside. Okay, to go in search of a crab hole. So the fox was going to search a crab hole near the sea beach. Okay, means he was ready in search of a crab hole in the river side or the sea beach. And he straightened his tail like a pole. Means he straightened, okay, his tail inside the pole. Okay, look at the picture. He straightened his tail inside the pole. Your pole means, you look at the pictures. It is a light pole. You also, in your school, you have also flag pole. So flag pole means straight. Okay, so he put his tail to make the tail straight. Okay, then Inside the hole, his bushy tail he pushed. Okay, inside the hole, his bushy tail he pushed. Means he pushed his bushy tail. Bushy means thicky hair. Okay. The crab, he thought it slightly missed, but inside the hole, the crab thought that. Okay, the fox leg, the fox tail slightly missed inside the hole. Okay. He waited long for a sweet pool. Means the fox waited for a long time. Then the crab pulled his bushy tail. Okay, he waited for a long time. But for long there was none at all. But the crab did not pull his bushy tail. Okay. Finally he pulled out his tail. Okay. So the fox pulled out his tail outside the hole. Okay. But the crab was inside. He could smell. But the fox knew that the crab must be inside the hole. Okay. So he changed his plan and called Brother Crab. So he changed his plan. Okay, means he made another plan how to catch the crab inside the hole. Okay, so he made another plan and called the crab. Brother Crab, let some song and dance have. Means he called the crab. Brother Crab, you come, and we both are singing and dancing near the beach. The weather calls for such merrymaking. The weather calls means the cold weather. The winter season calls both for merrymaking, for dancing or for singing. We are ready. You please come out from the hole. Look at the picture. Okay. Then the crab will understand. But the crab did not come out of his hole. His crab hole. Because he understands the tricks which was played by the fox. The fox's real mood, thought he to himself, am I a fool? Means the crab thought that, am I a fool? And answered from his hole. Means he was given the answer to the fox, am I a fool? No, I am not a fool. Who is going to sing and dance in such a weather cool? I am not going for dancing or singing. Okay, because it was very cool. It was very cool, so I cannot go outside the hole for singing and dancing. Such a weather cool, I will rather eat and sleep well. But the crab, if I come out from the hole, then the fox must eat me. Okay, so he thought that I will rather eat and sleep in my cozy little hole. Okay, ताले पिला माने, now I explain in Oriya. You listen carefully. It was a very cool night and there was no crab in sight. The fox looked for one, but there was none. पूरा गोटे ठंडा राति अछि. ओके, ताले जो समुद्र बेलाभूमि रे गोटे भी हेले हमरो कंकड़ा, crab means कंकड़ा. There was none. गोटे भी कंकड़ा कहीं दिसना. Where did they go? Not even one in sight. They must be in their holes, if I am right. ताले fox भाबिला कंकड़ा माने अछि कुआड गले. से माने निश्चित भाबरे तांको गात भितरे अछन. Okay? Thinking so he got ready. सुना कला जे केमती मु crab को तार गात भितरु बाहर करिवि. One sort of a crab hole. ताल से कोन कला ना गला खोजिबा पई. कोठी गोटे कंकड़ार गात अछि मु ताको खोजी की धरिबि. ओके, So he made a plan. से गोटे योजना कला कौन से योजना कला ही pushed his tail तार कंकड़ा गात भितर तार लांज को भर्ती कला कौन पे भर्ती कला से भाविला जदि मोर लांज को कंकड़ा धरिदेव ताले मु चटकिनी लांज को बाहर करी आनिले कंकड़ा को मु खाए ओके ताल से बहुत समय धरी अपेक्षा कला नहीं ही वेटेड फॉर ए स्वीट स्पून से बहुत समय धरी अपेक्षा कला केते बेले कंकड़ा मोर लांज को टाणिबो बट फॉर लॉन्ग देयर वाज नॉन एट ऑल किंतु केते बेले जाके अपेक्षा करले भी तार लांज को केही टाणिले नाही फाइनली पुल्ड आउट हिज टेल बट द क्रैब वाज इनसाइड ही कुड स्मेल ताल शेषरे अपेक्षा करी करी से तार लांज को टाणी आली ना किंतु लांज को टाणी आनला बेले से जानि परला जे गात भितरे पक्का गोटे कंकड़ा अछि ओके so he changed his plan and called brother crab तो कंकड़ा खाइबा को इच्छा अछि नहीं से कौन कला तार योजना को बदलला कौन कहला ताकू पूरा सांग पर डाकला ब्रदर क्रैब लेट सम सॉन्ग एंड डांस हैव ए कंकड़ा भाई गात बाहर को आस तो आमे सांग ही गीत गाइबा आ नाचिबा ए जो वेदर हमको कौन करूची ना मेरी मेकिंग हमर फन एक्टिविटीज बा आमे जे कोनोसी गोटे आनंददायक खेल खेलिबा पई तो पागो पूरा एकदम फिट अछि व्हाट इज लाइफ विदाउट डांसिंग एंड सिंगिंग ताल आमे जदी गाइबानी नाचिबानी ताल हम जीवन न कोन मूल्य अछि क्राब वेल अंडरस्टूड ताले क्राब पूरा तार फॉक्स रो मूड को बुझी पारिला कि काहे कि मते आज फॉक्स एते सुंदर भाबरे डाकुछि बट ही टू हिमसेल्फ am I a fool से निजे कहला ए तू कोन फॉक्स बहुत चला मु कोन बोका I am a fool मु बोका नुआ and answered from his hole तार गात भीतर से उत्तर देला मु कोन बोका who is going to sing and dance in such a weather cool एते ठंडा पागरे मु काहे कि बाहर को जीवी गीत गाइबी नाचिबी बरং मु मोर गात भीतरे आराम से खाइबी आउ सोई ओके बुझेला पिला माने so now you point out what are the rhyming words of the poem you see the night sight one none then okay night sight then right also rhyming word night sight right okay then ready then ready then whole then pole okay then tail smell okay then to understood then mood then so cool so these are the different rhyming words means those which are making same sound तारो pronunciation गुड़िको same होते हैं night right sight okay then understood then mood okay so these are the different rhyming words okay then now I explain the meaning okay so looked for means search खोजिबा okay then false means animals burrow तुतरे की माने एनिमल माने निजे गात करके से गात भीतर रह देन हंगर मींस भोकिला नहीं तमरो खाइबा टाइम हे तुम भूख लागे कि नहीं डिस्कम्फर्ट कॉज्ड बाय वांट ऑफ फूड माने हमको जतले भूख लागे आमे घर को फेरिले स्कूल नु फेरला बेले हमको बहुत भूख लागे तला हमें कोन करंती हम मां ऊपर राखंती नहीं मां जति पूरा आराम से हमको खाइबा को दे देला ताले हमरो भूख मरी गला परे हमें पूर्ण से भल रे कथा कहंती नहीं हंगर ओके then greedy having greed लोभ करिवा लोभी ओके then straighten made straight ओके हमरो सीधा करिवा जेंति हमरो एबे सब हेयर ड्रायर मिलुची हमें सब स्ट्रेट करछन नहीं ताले then bushy means growing thick hair look at the picture of bushy tails squirrels have bushy tails okay then pushed to force one's way देखो push then pull push means पेलिबा देन पुल मीन्स टाणिबा आमे सपोज एबे कोनोसी जो मार्केट को जानती नहीं आमे जो हमरो डोर गुडी को थाए साइलेंस हमरो सब जो अछि सब डोर गुडी को तले हम देखंती कोन पुश करंती आमे एंट्री करंती देन बाहरिला बेले आमे पुल करंती एवं बाहर ओके पुश एंड पुल देन स्मेल scent of something smell also bad smell and also good smell नहीं आमे परफ्यूम लगांती कोन पे हमरो बढ़िया से हम ड्रेस हो बासिबो नहीं ताले आमे जदी कोनोसी गोटे असना जगह को जिबा ताले हमरो स्मेल होची बैड स्मेल पूरा गंध आसे आमे नाको को बंद कर देंती नहीं देन वेदर स्टेट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर हला पानी पाकर हमरो अवस्था ताको आमे कहंती जोटा की पानी पाग देन मेरी मेकिंग फन एक्टिविटीज singing dancing or mono action or dramas so these are the different merry making activities or fun activities then understood have a clear idea okay so we are taking the virtual classes why for the clear understanding having the good idea having the correct idea okay understood means bujiba then mood state of mind tomara monar avastha hela tale ethi ame kon dekhile जे फॉक्स रो मूड को बुझी परिला कि ना खराब देन कोजी वार्म एंड कंफर्टेबल माने गरम लागुथिबो जेमति शीत दिने हमर ठंडा पड़ला बेले हम कोन करंती खटरे आराम से कमल घोड़े की सुंदी नहीं वार्म एंड कंफर्टेबल गरम लागुथिबो एवं आराम मध्य लागु ओके सो यू राइट डाउन दिस वर्ड मीनिंग्स इन योर कॉपी ओके देन समरी you listen the summary then you can do the different activities okay once there lived a crab and a fox the fox looked for a crab but there was no crab in sight the fox thought that the crab must be in their holes okay so the fox went in search of a crab hole okay put its tail inside the hole but wait for sometimes but the crab did not catch his tail okay the fox changed its plan he called the crab to come out to sing and dance but she could understand the trick of the fox so the crab did not come out from his hole to dance and said am I a fool I will eat and sleep inside my cozy hole okay ताले आमे वन हमर थरे हमर गोटी क्राब आ फक्स कंकड़ा आ कोकिशाल रोहुथले कोकिशाल रहे जंगल ले कंकड़ा रहे नदी कूल पाखरे बा जे कोनोसी खेत पाखरे फक्स कोन कला बहुत भोक होतिला कोन खाइबो बोली इच्छा कला मते आज गोटे कंकड़ा मिलंतीनी मु खांती किंतु खोजिला बेले गोटे भी कंकड़ा नथिले ताले ताले भाबिला कंकड़ा माने पक्का तांकर गात भितर अछन मते तांकू गात भितर बाहर करबा को पड़िबो ताल से कोन कला तार लांजो को पूरा सीधा करी से कोन कला तार गात भितर बसी गला अभी कंकड़ा तार गात लांजो को धरलानी सेटु कोन कला फक्स कोन कला तार प्लान को चेंज कला ताकू कोन कहला ए कंकड़ा भाई हां गात बाहरु आ आमे ई ठंडा पागरे आमे एकाठी गीत गाइबा आ नाचिबा तो गात भितर कंकड़ा आमर फक्स रो तार मूड तार मनर उद्देश्य को बुझी पाला से मु कोन बोका मु तो सहित गीत गाइबिनी कि नाचिबिनी मु मोर गात भितरे आराम से सोईबी खाइबी एवं सोईबी आराम से मु मोर गात भितरे खाइबी सोईबी कंकड़ा पिला माने केमती चले जानछो से आगो को जाएनी सेमती एमती साइड साइड की जाए हला एमती साइड वे रे से क्रॉस करे तार आमे जेमती सीधा सीधा जानती कंकड़ा केबे सीधा जाएनी कंकड़ा एमती बंका माने तार साइड को से तार चल चली सी जाए ओके सो व्हाट यू लर्न फ्रॉम दिस पोएम ताल तुमे माने पिला माने ये पोएम रु कोन बुझिलो मु तुमको एटा कहछि नहीं वी मस्ट थिंक केयरफुली अबाउट द हेल्प ऑफ अर्थात तुमको जदि किछि के सहाय्य आपे आपे जाचुची ताल ए सहाय्य के देला बेले तुमे टिके चिंता करी जेमते हमें देखिले जे ताकू साहाय्य करिए गात भितर को बाहरिया हमें टिके आराम से गीत गाइबा नाचिबा किंतु तार ए जो फक्स रो उद्देश्य को हमर गात भितर थाई कंकड़ा बुझिला एवं से तार देश बुझी पारला बोली से गात भितर को आसलानी जदि बाहर को आसता कौन होता अवस्था पक्का खाई था नहीं कारण ये हूँ खाद्य सी हूँ खादक तेणुक जदि आमको किए सोच कौन खाद्य जाचुची कि पैसा जाचुची किए आस बोली डाकुची केबे भी पिला माने जीवनी बुझेला एंड सेकेंड इज प्लेइंग ट्रिक्स ऑन अदर्स इज नॉट गुड आमे कहा सहित आमे जदि ट्रिक्स खेलिबा हला बा हमर चालाकी खेलिबा केबे भी एटा हमर भल हेबो नाही ताले हमर जो देखिला में कोकिसियाल कंकड़ा से तो चालाकी खेलुथिला नहीं तू केमती ताकू जेमती हेले से भाबुथिला ताकू गात भीतर को बाहर करके आनिबो किंतु आमे ए जो अन्यर जदि अमंगल चिंता करिबा ताले भगवान निश्चित आमर मध्य अमंगल चिंता कर तेणुकरी कहार अमंगल चिंता करी आमे ताकू विपद रे केबे भी पकैबा पई पिला माने आमे चेष्टा करिबा नाही ओके सो नाउ इट इज टाइम फॉर योर एक्टिविटी ओके एक्टिविटी 1 comprehension questions okay who looked for a crab answer who looked for a crab किए कंकड़ा को खोजुथिला किए कंकड़ा को खोजुथिला को पिला माने गिव योर आंसर
the fox
रिकॉर्ड
the fox
that is full sentence fox looked for a crab okay write down in your copy the fox looked for a crab was there any crab in sight was there any crab in sight जो हमरा आखो पाखरे कंकड़ा थिला ता थिला के पिला माने हो कि ना कंकड़ा थिला
yes no
थिला कंकड़ा नो वेरी गुड
no
no there was no crab in sight जो पाखो आखो पाखरे गोटे भी कंकड़ा कई नथिले नहीं what did the fox go in search of fox कौन खोजिबा पई गला कौन खोजिबा पई fox गला को तो पिला माने कौन खोजिबा पई गला को पिला माने
crab को खोजिबा ପାଇଁ
कौन खोजुतिला से को
crab
कौन खोजुतिला तुमको भोक करे तमे कौन खोजिबा कौन खोजुतिला
crab
तुमको सिना भोक करे तुमे भात खाइबो किंतु फॉक्स कौन खाइबो कौन खाइबो को पिला माने
crab crab
crab very good the fox went in search of a crab hole गोटे कंकड़ा गात खोजुतिला ना बाहर तो गोटे भी कंकड़ा पाइलानी कंकड़ा माने पक्का तांगा गात भितरे थिबे सेतला से गोटे कंकड़ा गात को खोजिला ओके did the crab catch his tail गात भितरु थाई कंकड़ा तार लांजो को धरला did the crab catch his tail
no
no very good
No.
बिल्कुल धरला नहीं ना no the crab did not catch his tail बिल्कुल धरबनी ना what did the fox tell the crab fox कौन कहला crab को कौन कहला कौन कहला कौन कहला कौन कह के डाकिला को पिला माने brother crab you come out from your hole brother crab no the fox told the crab to come out to sing and dance okay हमें बाहर को आस हम एकाठी गीत गाइबा आउ नाचिबा no then second activity MCQ questions no multiple choice questions the fox looked for a dash prey some food crab or a fish which one is correct tell me which one is correct crab crab no crab the fox thought that the crabs must be there in the pond in the river in the canal in their holes कंकड़ा कोठी अछि एना लेथिला ना रिवर रे in their holes no in their holes गात भितर थिला कंकड़ा ना the fox hunger made him dash fox पूरा भोकिला जाइतला काल से कौन हैला Angry, bold, greedy, foolish.
Ready.
कौन सुना? कौन हला? वो पिला मने?
Angry.
Angry? No, 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 no. Not angry?
Angry.
What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Tell me.
Grady. Grady.
Very good. Grady. Very good. Ah, Grady. The fox straightened his tail like that. Pole, rope, stick or a bamboo. ता लांजा मुझे केमती भर्ती कला?
Stick. Stick.
आजे? पोल, पोल, पोल पर इसे चला पूरा
Apple.
सीधा कर इसे भर्ती कला ना?
Apple.
The fox had a dash, long tail, pole-like tail, rope-like tail, or bushy tail. How is the tail of the fox? Fox रो लांजो केमती थिला? केमती थिला? bushy tail. bushy tail पूरा लोमो भर्ती थिला, नहीं? bushy tail just like the squirrel, no? हाँ. Very good, bushy tail. Next question. Match who lives where? ये केउटी रहे? तमर पिला माने this type of question you must face in your exam. Okay? So listen carefully. Who lives where? किए केउठारे रहे? Okay? So horse. Which one is matching करिबा? Horse. Horse केउठा रहे? Horse रा घर को आमे कौन कहिबा? हॉर्स रा घर को आमे कौन कहिबा जोटी हॉर्स रहे टेबल टेबल देन काउ कोठी आमे रखंती गाय मान को आमे कोठी रखंती वो पिला माने हाउ सेड वेरी गुड हां थैंक यू देन डॉग डॉग को आमे कोठी रखंती डॉग वो पिला माने डॉग Dog कोठी थांदी? Dog. Which one is correct? Dog. Kennel. Then a lion. Lion. कोठ रहे lion. कोपिला मने कोठ रहे lion. कोठी रहे? Den. Very good. Then mouse. Mouse कोठ रहे मूसा. कोठ रहे? Hole. Very good.
Hole.
Very good. Sit down. Sit down. The next activity also matching what? This is antonyms. Antonyms means विपरीत शब्द. जेमति हमरो दिन राति नहीं सेमति हमरो antonyms पढिबा विपरीत शब्द पढिबा. Cool. Cool रो विपरीत शब्द कोन हेबो? Cool. ठंडा कोन हेबो? Cool रो कोन हेबो? तार विपरीत शब्द कोन हेबो? ठंडा कौन हेब तमे कौन हेब शीत दिन तुमको ठंडा लगे कि नहीं किंतु खरा दिन कौन लगे गरम लगे ना वार्म ओके हाँ वार्म देन राइट ठीक उत्तर देव ना भूल उत्तर देव राइट कौन हेब को पिला माने Right, wrong. Very good. Wrong. Sida. Good boy. Wrong. Then inside. Inside means bhitare. Opposite कौन है वो? भीतरा. Room भीतरा. Room बाहर. Outside. Very good. Outside. Very good. Then pool. Very good. Push. Then real. वास्तव. अवास्तव. नहीं. Unreal. Okay. So true, false. In your homework, you write which sentence is correct and which sentence is incorrect or false. Okay. The fox had a long tail. Is it correct? No. The fox had a bushy tail. Okay. So, in this way, the fox looked for some food. The hunger made the fox greedy. The crab waited long for a sweet food. The crab could not understand the fox's real mood. Okay. So you do it at home, and for checking or for correction, you ask teacher. Okay. So thank you for your cooperation. Have a good day. Have a nice day. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you.